Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about triangles and its properties. Exercise 3. In this, first, second, and third, four problems are completed in previous class. In this class, we start from 6th problem to 13th and exterior angles of a triangle's property that and exercise 4 will discuss on this. So now I am going to take first problem. The angles of a triangle, once listen children, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. Once again children, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. So you have to find that problem. Listen. Given that this is the sixth problem. Given that ratio of the triangle equal to 1:2:3. 1:2:3. Sum of the terms of the triangle. Sum of the terms of the triangle. What is the meaning of terms here? Terms mean 1, 2, 3. First term is 1, second 2, third term 3. The sum of the terms of a triangle. In a triangle, how many angles are there? 3 angles. So here 3 terms given 1, 2, 3. So the sum of the terms of the triangle means 1 plus 2 plus 3 total. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Total how many children? 6. Now, sum of the angles of the triangle equal to how many degrees children? 180 degrees. This meaning was sum of the angles of the triangle meant in a triangle the sum of 3 angles is equal to how much children? 180 degrees. Now you find first angle how much and the second angle is how much and the third angle is how much. Now first angle equal to first term what? 1 by sum of the terms of the triangle. What children? 6. So 1 by 6 into sum of the angles of the triangle. How much children? 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Once again, now you have to find the first angle. How to get the first angle mean? You take first term by sum of the terms of the triangle. Total how many terms children? 6. And sum of the angles of the triangle equal to how much? 180 degrees. This is the 180 degrees. Now 1 by 6 into 180. Now this 6 in 180 how many times divisible? Take 6 in 18 3 times. After 0 is there, total how many times children? 30 times. Equal to 1 into 30. 30 degrees. 1 into 30 how much? 30 degrees. Second angle equal to second 2 by 6 into 180 degrees. This 6 in 180 30 times. So 30 times. 2 into 30 60 degrees. How many degrees children? 60 degrees. Now third angle. Third angle equal to 3 by 6 into 180 degrees. This 6 in 180 30 times. 3 30 is how many? Here 30 degrees. So how many times children? 30 times 3 30 is how much? 90 degrees. So first angle equal to 30 degrees. Second angle is equal to 60 degrees. Third angle equal to 90 degrees. The sum of the angles of the triangle equal how much? 180 degrees. Now you can add 30 degrees plus 60, 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, it is equal to 180 degrees. So your solution is a correct answer. Understood, children? Now I am going to take next problem. Clear, children? This? Yes. Now seventh problem. In the figure, DE parallel to BC, angle A equal to 30 degrees and angle B equal to 50 degrees. Find the values of X, Y and Z. Here diagram given. This is the ABC triangle here. This is the ABC triangle. Here some information given, children. DE parallel to BC. So this is BC line. This is the D. So this line DE and BC both are parallel. Parallel means they do not intersect at any point. So these both are intersecting. This angle 30 degrees given. This angle 50 degrees. This angle Z degrees. This angle Y degrees. This angle X degrees. Now you can find the X, Y, Z. This X, Y and Z. So what about the given information, children? In the figure, DE parallel to BC. These two are DE parallel to BC. These two lines are parallel. And angle A equal to 30 degrees and angle B 50 degrees and angle C Z degrees given, and this angle X and Y is given. Then you have to find it. Now you first in triangle ABC you find angle C. What about angle sum property? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Then you find the angle C, that value Z value. So and in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. How much, children? 180 degrees. So angle A 30 degrees plus angle B 50 degrees plus angle C is the Z degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now 30 plus 50, total how much, children? 80 degrees plus Z degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now you find Z. So this 80 sent to RHS side. Z degrees equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. So Z degrees equal to 180 minus 80, how much, children? 100 degrees. How much? 100. So Z is equal to 100. This value is 100. Now you can find this value, Y degrees. So these both are how much? These both are corresponding angles. One is exterior, one is the interior. If you take these two are lines, parallel lines. This is the transversal line. DE and BC are parallel lines, and BD is the transversal. Now you can say this Y angle is the outside angle, and 50 degrees is the interior angle. So one interior, one exterior. You have to say the two angles are corresponding angles. Now corresponding angles are equal. So angle B and Y equal to, both are equal. Therefore, Y degrees is equal to how much, children? 50 degrees. Why? Because angle B equal to Y, corresponding angles. So Y is equal to how much, children? 50. Now you take these two are also corresponding. So So what about Z? 100 degrees. So X also 100 degrees. Why? Because both are corresponding. Therefore, X degrees equal to 100 degrees. Why? Because angle C equal to X degrees corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Clear, children? Good. Right. Next problem. Yeah, next 13th problem. Okay, 11th problem. See, children. 11th problem. The acute angles of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the triangle. Once see, children. The acute angles of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means what, children? So in right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. Remaining two angles are acute angles. That acute angles ratio is given. How much given? 2:3. So find the angles of the triangle. In right angled triangle, the ratio of two acute angles of a angles equal to how much, children? 2:3. The sum of the terms equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. First acute angle equal to, first term what, children? 2. 2 by 2 plus 3, how much given here? 5 into one angle equal to right angle. So that means 90 degrees. Remaining two acute, the sum of two acute angles equal to how much? 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180. Already one angle is given. What about right angle given? So that is the 90 degrees. Remaining acute angle, the sum of two acute angles equal to 90 degrees. So take off 90 degrees. This 5 in 90. How many times divisible, children? 18 times. 18 5 how much? 90. So 2 18s, 36 degrees. Now second acute angle equal to 3 by 5 into 90. This 5 in 90, 18 times. So 3 18s, how much, children? 54. How many degrees? 54. So first acute angle 36. So second acute angle equal to how many degrees? 54. So this is the 18, children. Clear? 18. 18 degrees. So 3 into 18. 18 1 are 18. 18 2 are 36. 18 3 are 54. 36 plus 54 how much, children? 90. So it is equal to remaining two, the sum of two acute angles. Clear, children? Next, 13th problem. These all problems are little bit some hard. So after completion of this video lesson, you have to practice one by one all problems. 13th, in figure ABCD, find angle 1 plus, angle 2 plus, angle 3 plus, angle 4 plus, angle 5. Children, in figure A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, so there, children. Sorry. So in figure A, B, C, D, E, this figure angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to how much? You can find it. So this is the given figure. So you draw like this, one line. You can draw one more line, this one line. So here how many triangles are formed? 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. How many triangles, children? 3 triangles. So what about the triangles? Triangle ABC. This triangle name is ABC. This triangle ACD. Which triangle, children? ACD. This is the third triangle, that is AED. Okay, this triangle is ABC. This triangle is ACD. This triangle is AED. So how many triangles are there? 3 triangles. What about angle sum property in a triangle? The sum of 3 angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So in triangle, first triangle, ABC triangle. ABC triangle. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to how much? 180 degrees. Total how much, children? 180 degrees. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. That means this angle means angle BCA, BAC. Sorry. This angle BAC angle. This angle, which angle, children? BAC angle plus this angle ABC, angle ABC plus this angle BCA equal to 180 degrees. How many degrees, children? 180 degrees. In triangle ACD, this is the equation number 1. In triangle ACD triangle, this angle, angle CAD plus angle ACD. Next, this angle, angle ADC, angle ADC. Clear, children? Next, in triangle AED, in triangle AED, this angle, that angle, angle EAD plus this angle AED plus this angle ADE equal to 180 degrees. This is the second one, this is the third. So equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Now you can add all. Adding 1, 2 and 3 all here. Here. So first equation was angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle BCA plus what about equation number 2? Angle CAD plus angle ACD plus angle ADC plus what about remaining third equation? Angle EAD plus angle AED plus angle ADE equal to 180 degrees plus 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. So 180 degrees plus 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. So total how much children? Hence, that means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180. 180 plus 180 plus 180. Yeah, children. So here 180 plus 180 plus 180. So hence angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to, so 180 plus 180 plus 180. Do addition. 0. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 2 carry 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 5. So total how much children? 540 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to how much children? 540 degrees. Clear children? So this is the answer. Right. Next. Now I am going to take exercise 4. Before, I have to say to you exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. What about exterior angle of a triangle? This is the exterior property. So exterior angle of a triangle, is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. See children, what about exterior angle property? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Let's see, this is ABC triangle. Here 35 degrees given, here 45 degrees. 35 plus 45, total how much children? 58. This is the 100. So not given this angle. So you can find this angle. This is the exterior angle. This angle, this angle, this angle. Inside is there of triangle ABC, so it is called interior angle. This angle outside is there, so this angle is called outside angle of ABC triangle. So what about exterior angle of triangle? This angle, this exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior angles, opposite angles, interior opposite angles. That means AC, here T point there. So angle ACD equal to this angle. ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. These both are interior angles. Equal to angle A how much? 35 degrees. Angle B how much? 45 degrees. Total how much? 80 degrees. How many degrees children? 80 degrees. 35 plus 45 how much? 80 degrees. So Angle ACD, how many degrees now? 80 degrees. This is the exterior angle property. Once again, exterior angle angle of a triangle means exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. The sum of interior opposite angles. This is the opposite of these two angles. That means the exterior angle equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So this is the angles exterior angle property. Clear, children? Now exercise 4. In exercise 4, first problem, in triangle ABC, name all the interior and exterior angles of the triangle. First problem, the diagram. They given like this. So this is the ABC triangle. Now you can write name all the interior angles and name all the exterior angles. This angle, this angle, this angle. These three angles are exterior angles. Why? Because they are in outside of triangle ABC. So remaining this angle, this angle, this angle are interior angles of ABC. Why? Because they are in inside of their ABC, triangle ABC. So now we can write interior angles. Interior angles. Now we can write interior angles. Angle BAC. BAC and this angle ABC. This angle ACB. These are interior angles. Now exterior angles. Exterior angles. Now can say this angle. How? Angle BAY. Angle BAY. Angle BAY. So this is the exterior angle. Next. This angle. Angle BXC. XBC. This angle is XBC. Now this angle ZCA. ZCA. Once is children. This exterior angle BAY. This angle XBC. This angle ZCA. ZCA. This is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Clear, children? Next, second problem. For triangle ABC, find the measure of angle ACD. Exercise 4, children. Second problem. For triangle ABC, find the measure of angle ACD. A, B, C, D. 66 degrees, 45 degrees, given. So now we can find the angle ACD. Angle ACD means ACD, this angle. Clear, children? So what about exterior angles property? The exterior angle is equal to the the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. The sum of two interior opposite angles. That means angle ACD equal to angle A. That means CAD, angle CAD plus angle CBA. This is right. What about angle CAD? CAD means CAD, this angle. Now this angle CBA equal to CAD how much children? 66 degrees plus CBA how many degrees? 45 degrees. Now can we add 66 plus 45? 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 4 11. Total of 1 degrees, 111 degrees. So ACD equal to how many degrees children? 111 degrees. Clear? So this is the degrees. Right? Next. Third, find the measure of angles X and Y. Find the measure of, this is the third problem children. The measure of angles X and Y. So now you find angles X and Y. This angle, these two angles. Now you can take angle exterior angle property. What about exterior angle property? The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. That's why angle CBD equal to angle C plus angle A. Angle C plus angle A. So what about angle C? 30 degrees plus what about angle A? 5 degrees. But angle CBD, external angle how much given? 65 degrees given. Clear children? CBD angle 65 degrees. This is the 65 degrees. So angle C, this means 30 degrees. Angle Y, angle A, 5 degrees. Now this 30 sent to our LHS side. 65 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to y degrees. 65 minus 30, 35 degrees is equal to y degrees. So y is equal to how many degrees? 35. Now you can find x degrees in interior angle. Now take angle sum property. In a triangle, the sum of three angles is equal to how much children? 180 degrees. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. What about angle A? Y, how many degrees? 35 degrees. Angle B, x degrees. Angle C, 30 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 35 plus 30, 65 degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees equal to 180 degrees minus 65 degrees. X degrees equal to 180 minus 65. How much children? 10 minus 5, 5. Here 7. 7 minus 6, 1, 1. So 115 degrees. X degrees equal to how many degrees children? 115 degrees. Clear children? So x is equal to 115 degrees. Y is equal to 35 degrees and exterior angle is 65, angle is equal to 30 degrees. Clear children? Next problem. Sixth problem, find the values of x and y in the following figures. Sixth problem, children. Find the value of x and y in the following figures. The following figures. Right, children. Find the value of x and y in the following figures. So you have to find this x and this y. So this is one triangle. This is the ABC triangle. That if we take, they are not given name of this triangle, but we take, let it we take ABC triangle. Angle some property, angle A plus angle B and angle C equal to 180 degrees. And no need to take name, leave it. This is the one triangle. Once observe here, children, this side and this side, these two sides are equal. Here two lines given, here two lines given. That we know two lines are two sides are equal. So these two sides are equal. So this two angles also equal. These two angles also equal. So in triangle, the angle sum property, the sum of three angles equal to how much, children? 180 degrees. So x degrees plus y degrees plus 70 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees set to RHS side 70 degrees. X degrees plus y degrees is equal to how much? 110 degrees. 110 degrees. So x plus y how much, children? 110 degrees. But this side, these two sides are equal, mean x equal to x degrees is equal to y degrees. X degrees is equal to y degrees. So both are equal. So this both are equal, mean 110 by 2. How much, children? 55. That means x degrees is equal to 55 degrees and y degrees also 55 degrees. Why? Because these two sides are equal, these two angles also equal. So x plus y is equal to how much? How much? 110. Why? Because 180 minus this 70 equal to 110. So these both are equal, mean 110 by 2 equal to we get 55 degrees each angle. X degrees equal to 55, y degrees also 55. Clear, children? Next, 11th problem. Thirty degrees, 50 degrees, 55 degrees. Clear, children? Now we have to find x degrees and y degrees. This x degrees and y degrees. So listen, children. First, this is the exterior angle. Which angle, children? Exterior angle. So this is y degrees, 50 degrees, 30 degrees, 55 degrees. So once observe that diagram, children, everyone. Right. See, children, this is the ABC one triangle and BD something is there here. One more triangle. This y degrees is the exterior angle of ABD. This y degree exterior angle of ABC triangle. So once angle CBD equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. That means angle C plus angle A. Angle CBD how much given? Y degrees equal to angle C 30 degrees plus angle A 58 degrees. Clear, children? Angle CBD, that means y degrees equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Opposite angles 30 plus 50. Total of the children y degrees is equal to 30 plus 80 50 how much? 80 degrees. So this is the 80 degrees. Now you can find this angle x degrees. So x is equal to what? This C. This x degrees equal to, this is the exterior angle. So you can add y degrees plus 55 degrees. So x degrees equal to y degrees how much? 80 degrees plus 55 degrees. 80 plus 55, 135 degrees. Clear, children? Once again, this is the diagram. Now you can find y degrees. Y degrees means this is the exterior angle of ABC triangle. So CBD equal to angle C plus angle A. That means 30 plus 50. Total of 80 degrees. Y is equal to 80 degrees. Now you take x degrees. This is the exterior angle of these two angles. So exterior angle property. This is the exterior angle property. This also here. Exterior angle property. Okay, so next x degrees equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Y plus 55. Y are how much? 80. 80 plus 55 equal to 135 degrees. Clear, children? So in exercise, some problems I have explained to you. Remaining will take homework. Clear, children? So thank you very much.